Vianys Bunny Pal Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for a cuddly, interactive plush toy, Vianys Bunny Pal might seem perfect, but most people get this wrong by assuming all features are included in one price. The surprising truth is that different models and add-ons can affect what you actually pay. Vianys Bunny Pal comes in two main versions, a basic soft plush at $99 and an interactive model at $99. The interactive version responds to touch, makes sounds, and has limited educational features. Shipping is usually domestically, with international fees varying. What you get: a high-quality plush toy with soft fabrics, safe for kids, and optional interactive features that encourage engagement and imaginative play. What you give up or need to watch: batteries for the interactive version are not always included, and some advanced features may require separate purchases. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Decide if you want a basic cuddly toy or an interactive experience. Step 2. Compare costs, including batteries or add-ons. Step 3. Read customer reviews for durability and feature reliability. Step 4. Consider your child's age and interest in tech-based play. You won't believe what happens next if you skip reviews. The interactive features may be underwhelming for older kids or may wear out with heavy use. The surprising truth is that Vianys Bunny Pal can deliver value, but only when the model matches your expectations and playstyle. In conclusion, Vianys Bunny Pal is a charming plush that combines comfort and interactive fun. Understand pricing tiers and additional requirements to ensure you get the best experience for your money.